This conference will now be recorded.
Any doubts? Okay, let's start today's session. Okay, today we'll be doing the transactions of GST on purchase and sales of services. Okay, so now let's start with the first one. The company purchased advertising services of worth rupees 50,000. Sorry, 50,000 from Zenith Private Limited, Bangalore, Karnataka. Additionally, GST at 18% is charged on the invoice. So we have to pass an entry on advertising services. So here the date are not mentioned. So we will give a date. Excuse me.
Screen is not visible, ma'am.
Is it is it now visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do the first sum. So
Okay.
I'll go to vouchers. So purchase F9. So I'll change the date. It has 1/6. So now it is in which mode? Now the screen, the purchase voucher screen is in which mode? If you people can make out, can you tell me which screen I'm into? I'm into item invoice. So here I'm purchasing the service. So if I'm purchasing the service, I had told to change it to the other voucher mode. So control H, I'll change the voucher mode to accounting invoice. So now you can see it is particular rate and amount. Okay. So supplier invoice number, I'll give it as purchase 101 party. So here party is Zenith Private Limited. create party Zenith Private Limited. So they are my country creditors. I'm purchasing from them. Maintain balance bill by bill should be yes. So I'm selecting Karnataka. They are regular dealers, and this is their GSTN number. Create this from your purchase voucher. Use Control H to change the mode. Choose accounting voucher for purchase and sales of services. Create the party ledger Zenith Private Limited. So I'm purchasing the service from them. So Zenith will be my creditors. I'll save it. Accept the receipt details, party details. Now what is that I'm purchasing? I have to create. I'll use Alt C. So till here you have done right. So change the mode to accounting invoice. So it should be particular rate and amount. So to change Control H. Now created with the party. Now we have to create the service which we are purchasing. So we are purchasing traveling service. Sorry, advertising service. So I'm purchasing it, so it will come under purchase account. So this will be not applicable. Is GST applicable? Yes, it is applicable, and here we have to give the SAC code. Okay. So set alter GST details. I have to make it to yes. So advertising services I'm purchasing. So it will come under purchase account. So when we were creating the items, there we used to activate the HSN code. But here in the advertising service ledger, because it is not an item where I can create it there, so I'll be creating the ledger where the activation, the giving details of the SSC code, and how much percentage of tax is applied. I'll be activating it here only in the ledger. Set alter GST details, I'll make it to yes, and I'll give the description details. Okay, I'll press enter. So description is advertising service, so SAC code for advertising services. So it is 99836, 99836. So here nature of transaction, purchase taxable, purchase taxable, and how much is the GST? It is set 18%. So integrated will be 18, central and state will be 99%. So give this details and create it. Create the ledger.
Ma'am, I actually have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I didn't get a description and HSN thing, ma'am.
Okay,
It started
if
on
you
the
are not, yeah, in the this one only ledger you gave set alter GST details. Yes.
yes, ma'am.
Press enter. If this screen is not appearing with the complete details, press F12. Allow HSN and SAC details to yes. Show all GST tax types to yes. The first and the last option in the configuration, make it yes.
Got it, ma'am.
So once this is done, 9,836, purchase taxable. So here 18%. Gave this information and created the ledger.
Yes, ma'am.
So here type of supply will be services and save it. So I am purchasing the advertising service for 50,000. Enter. Here I have to choose input SGST. So it will automatically calculate input CGST. So new reference, give the narration being advertising services purchased on credit basis. Girls, the ones who are trying, please do it. I'm giving you some more time. I'll give you 2 more minutes of time. Try this out. We'll save it. We'll do the next sum. On 1/8/2023, purchased travelling services worth rupees 15,000 from Redbus Travels Private Limited. So here the GST at 5%. So I'll change the date first. I'll make it as 1/8, right? 1/8 purchase 102. Party is Redbus. So I'll create a Redbus Travel Private Limited. So they are my sundry creditor, maintain balance bill by bill. So I'll give this Create the party ledger. Red Bus Travels Private Limited. Oh, sorry, this one is wrong. GST number. It's 27. It's not Karnataka's. Karnataka's means it will be 29. So you can take any GSTN number, but it should be a valid GSTN number only. And when I am choosing the state Karnataka, the GSTN number should belong Karnataka's only. If I give some other state or something, it will not consider and we will be getting error. So yesterday you saw no the correction required when we were trying to do the GSTR2 reports. So there it will display that there is a correction required. You have chosen the wrong GSTN number for the state. I'll save it. Accept the receipt details, party details. So here I am purchasing traveling services. So I'll create travel service, should come under purchase account. So here I'll give the details, description, SAC code for travel service 9964. Travel service 9964. So it is purchase taxable. So here it is 5%. So services, and I will save it. Hope everybody have done this travel service. It is for 50,000 rupees I am purchasing. So input SGST, input CGST. New reference, view the narration being travel service purchased. So I'll save it. So courier service, I want you people to try with the third one. On 1/11/2023, purchased courier service of worth rupees 10,000 from TTDC Courier Service, Karnataka, and the GST is at 6%. I will give you 5 minutes of time. I want you people to try the third one. Able to do it, no girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is this Sandhya?
Aishwarya, ma'am.
Okay. Done, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's go to the sales. So for this one IGST is the same way the party what we are creating, we have to choose the right state and choose the GSTN number appropriate to it. Okay. And here we will be taking in tally we will be taking instead of SGST, CGST, I'll be taking IGST. Want to do one sum on the IGST also? Let's try here. Okay, let's try it out. One IGST will do it and see. Purchase 107. So party consultancy services will give mm, consultancy services. So they are my creditor. So I'll choose it as Kerala.
Ma'am, this is under purchase, no, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Services Kerala GST number. Here I will give Kerala. So create one consultancy services who's from Kerala. So here you have to choose the state also Kerala
Done, ma'am.
Yeah. Then I'll accept the receipt detail, party detail. So I have to create consultancy services. So it will be under purchase account. Here I'll give the GST details for consultancy service. MCC code for consultancy services is 998312. 998312 for consultancy services. This purchase taxable. So we'll give it as 12%. So hope you people have done this. So I'll save it under services. So I'll give it as 25,000. Here I have to choose input IGST. It is not coming. Consultancy. Purchase account. No, I have made the mistake. See here, this should not come. SGST should not come. So this one what we have taken GST number is wrong. Only purchase account consultancy services. GST is not getting calculated. GST is coming. Okay, let me check with this. It is calculating for input SGST and CGST. HGST it is not calculating. Okay, let me check girls what is wrong. So I'll tell you in the next class. So we'll do it the other things for supply on services sold. Okay. So here you can pass the entry using the CGST and SGST. It is calculating. I'll check about it. IGST on service. So let's try with the other one. So we are supplying the service. We are selling the services now. The company sold consultancy services worth rupees 50,000 to Digital World, Karnataka. So the GSTN number GST is 18%. Okay. Let's not save this. Press F8 for sales. I change the date. So party is here. Digital World Private Limited. I have to create Digital World Private Limited. They are my datas. So they are from Karnataka only. Karnataka GST number. So I created the party. So now I'm supplying means they are my datas. Create the party ledger, Digital World Private Limited. State is Karnataka. IGST on service. I'll check and I'll tell you.
Done, ma'am.
I'll accept the dispatch detail, party detail. So consultancy services. So we have created for purchase. So we have to create it different in the sales. So consultancy services sales I will give. To understand it. So it will come under sales account. Same way consultancy services SSC code will put 998312. 8312. Consultancy services. So nature of transaction, sales taxable is 18%. Give this information and create your sales ledger. So services. So here 50,000 of consultancy we are doing. So this output SGST and output CGST. New reference, give the narration and save. Input means it is purchase, output means sales. So we'll save it. We'll do the next sum. On 1/10/2023, sold electrical services worth rupees 25,000 to GS Power System. So GST charged at 5%. So I'll change the date. 110 is already given. So I'll choose 111. So party is GS Power System. So all C, GS Power System. They are my datas. So I'll give the GSTN number, create the party ledger. So I'll save it and accept the dispatch detail, party detail. So here the service we are purchasing, we are selling. electrical services. So I'll create electrical service. It will be sales account. Four, service 9969. So 9969. So it is sales taxable. So tax rate is 5%. So give this information and create the sales ledger. So once this is done, here also I'll choose type of supply service. So how much is the cost? 25,000. Output SGST, output CGST. Select new reference, give the narration and save. Done, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll save this. So next sum, I wanted you people to try the third one. On 1/7/2023, audit service sold audit service of worth rupees 35,000 to Prestige Construction. At the rate of 12%. People try. Hope you people are able to do it. Let me try this one. 17. Each construction. Data. I have created the party. I'll accept the dispatch detail, party detail. So here I have to create audit service. Sales account. Basic code for auditing services. 99 into 822 8221. So this sales taxable. So how much the tax? It is said 12%. 12% services. Save this. So it is 35,000. Output is GST. Output CGST. New reference and save it. Done, girls. Okay, now if I wanted to check the voucher entries, I'll go to daybook. I'll press Alt F2, give the financial year. So whatever the purchase sales I have done, I can see. If I wanted to view only sales, I'll press F4, go for sales. Only my sales transactions will be shown. So this is voucher reports to view. Okay. So now if I wanted to go and check the GST reports, display more reports, go to GST reports. So GSTR 1 is for sales and GSTR 2 is for purchase. First let's see GSTR 2 purchase. Showing the other things also. Alt F2 142 3110. So there are 9 transactions which I have passed. Not relevant in this returns. It is combining everything and will show it. So these are the 9 transactions what I have passed. GSTR1. See, one mistake has happened in HSN SAC code where it is digital world. Consultancy services. It is 998313. 998313. We just change the date 142 3110. So 4 entries we have passed. So now in the day book I wanted to check the tax invoice. So this 142 313. So I'll go for multiple, this one, which one we did from Gilead's, right? Sales. Okay, this is the multiple tax rate what we have done. So once I open the transaction, I'll press Alt P for print, current, and I'll press I for preview. This is purchase. I just wanted to go for sales. Okay, let's try with this tax invoice. We wanted to check the tax invoice print format. So Alt we open any sales voucher, enter, select current and press preview. So Alt Z for zoom. So here you can see the tax invoice. So to whom I am supplying, what is the item. So HSN code details, SGST, CGST, and here you can see the tax part, how the calculation is done. On purchases, we will not get this tax part. Once when we are making the sales, on the sales we will be collecting the tax, right? So tax invoice will be your sales, what you are making. So sales invoice, in that you will be getting this tax details and all clearly. I'll show you once again how to go and check this. So from day book, choose any one entry. So yesterday we have passed one items. On items we have passed one entry, which was enterprises. So I'm choosing that one. Enter. So once the transaction is open, I'll press Alt P, enter. So it is taking me to print command. So here I cannot take print. So I wanted to see the preview. I'll press I for preview and Alt Z to zoom. Here you can clearly view the tax part. And your sales voucher, when you are taking the print, that time it will be coming as tax invoice. Try to check your this one tax invoice. Because try with this. If you are having any doubts, we'll clarify it in the next class, and we will start with TDS Monday. Okay. So here your GST part, it is done. So GST, how to pass GST on items and on services we have seen. And in your sales, on your sales voucher, we have viewed your tax invoice also, where the tax calculations and all, it will be shown very clearly. Try with this all those things. Any doubts, you can get it clarified on Monday. Okay. Thank you, girls.